Protists are so slept on. They are genuinely so interesting, like, they can be multicellular, unicellular. Some of them hunt for their own food, others use photosynthesis. And there are protists that can do both. I could keep going on how unique each of them is. It's always, what's your favorite animal? Or what's your favorite plant? But never, what's your favorite protist? Mine is an euglena. I don't know if that's the correct English word for them, since I usually learn about protists in my native language. What are yours? That's it. Bye, everyone.